So you'll want to start off by downloading the Tuya app from the App Store. That's Tuya. Once you've downloaded everything, you can click this icon. It will open up this screen. Now you can log in if you have an existing profile. You can sign up and create a new one. Or if you just quickly want to program some motors or perform some tasks, you can just click Try as Guest, but you'll have limited options on what you can do. This is your home screen. Now, if you have everything already set up on a profile, all of your window coverings or motors should be displayed here. If you're starting from scratch and haven't programmed anything yet, you can head up here and click the little plus icon. You'll want to click Add Device. From there, everything should automatically start showing up or pairing. You can also just click individually each motor that you see if you just want to pair one specific motor quickly. Once that's done, it's going to show you what's paired and what can still be added if you'd like to add it if it's within range. This is the control for each window covering or motor. You can actually move your finger manually up and down to get the product to a specific position. As well, you can use these buttons down here. If you click this little pencil up here, it allows you to actually name the motor. So if you see up here, if we click that, it will allow us to name the motor or a location, let's say bedroom 1 or 2. Going back to the control screen, you're going to notice there's a button down here that says More. This will allow you to actually edit the settings of the motor or the product. So you can adjust the shade direction, the tilting angle, which is great for louvered products like Sunset. You can perform a factory reset. You can adjust the running modes. You can copy the RF signals. So for example, if you want to pair another remote or wall switch, you can actually trigger the motor to go into program mode right from the screen. You can also adjust the speed settings. You can have it show battery life, so when it needs to be charged or how much battery you have left. You can also adjust the limits from the screen, or you can remove the limits. Scheduling at this time does not work for this feature. So you have your shade direction here, your tilting angle adjustment, factory reset, your running modes, which is great for roller shades, copying your RF signal. Now you can adjust the speed. This is great, but just note that when you put it into a faster speed, it does draw down on the battery a little bit quicker. Adjusting the limits is quite easy. You just click the limits button and then you can individually set the upper limit and the lower limit. So for example, the upper limit, you just get the product where you'd like it to be and then just exit out and it will automatically save. The same goes for the lower limit. Just adjust where you'd like it to be and then exit out over here and it automatically saves. You can also remove the limits or delete everything and start from scratch. Now, when you're back to this page, you should see all of your motors set up. If you don't, you'll just want to click All Devices. That will then show you everything that you have paired to the phone or the app thus far. You can then manage accordingly. You can add it to rooms, you can change rooms, you can delete the device. From there, you can actually set up rooms. So you just click the Rooms button down here. That will allow you to create as many rooms as you'd like and then group each product or motor in that room. So once everything is set up, you'll want to set up a home to group all of your products, motors, and rooms in under. So you'll want to head over to where it says Me in the bottom right hand corner and click that. From there, it's going to take you to the Home Management screen. Now you're going to want to click Home Management. Now you can either create a new home or join an existing home and pick up where somebody has left off if somebody's already set everything up for you. It's just going to send an invitation code. You'll want to click the code or the link that it sends you and follow the instructions to pair the home to your app or on another device. And then from there, it's going to tell you how the home is set up. Now you can add another member or manage permissions. From there, it's going to allow you to share that link or that code that I had mentioned earlier. You can either text it or you can email it, And when that person clicks on their phone or their device, it will then allow them to complete the pairing and put the home on their phone and transfer everything over. This is how it looks like when everything is set up. Now, a couple of important things to remember. You have to, or you should, delete the home that you've set up from your device and fully transfer it over to your end consumer or the person who actually owns the home, because if you do not delete the home from your device or remove the motors from your device, it could actually lock those motors and they will not be able to access it on their phones unless you unpair it or the motors undergo a factory reset. So always make sure to unpair or transfer over the home or the motors to the homeowner's actual device. As well, a couple of important notes. Whenever you see any of these home automation features on any of the screens on this app, at this time they do not work. So any of the Google Assistants, Alexa, so on and so forth, through this Tuya app specifically, they do not work. We do have home automation features, but that's done through a separate app and a separate setup. So always remember that when you see this, they cannot be paired at this time.